Because first and foremost, I think as we look at great solution today and like, hey, how we can see AI adding to the productivity, adding to the results, those type of things. So I think that's crystal clear. I think that we're going to see a lot of things in the overall, not just the vulnerability management space, but I think as the overall threat intelligence, right? I think there's an element of threat intelligence. Is all threat intelligence the same for every vertical industry, right? Do you need the same thing if you're a Windows laptop shop versus a Linux server environment? It's different, right? I think there's opportunities there for more curated threat intelligence. And it's interesting. I think we've seen some recent kind of acquisitions in the threat intelligence space recently. So I think that's maybe a little bit of foreshadowing or early warning radar in that space. I still think there's another element in the DLP space, the data leak prevention and detection space, right? Is everything's moving to the SaaS world, right? And all applications are becoming SaaS, right? But how to detect the data leakage? And ransomware now is not going so much after encrypting everything. It's more of grab the data, breach, pull it out, and then hold it for extortion, right? So how do you detect that? How do you block that? And I think that's a whole new world.